Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is, first of all, you will go to your phone's any browser, whatever you're used to, and tap on this, go to search bar and type in epicgames.com. You will simply be able to land on this kind of interface over here. Afterwards, tap on this 3 horizontal line on top right corner, tap on this profile icon given, and now scroll down, tap on this option called accounts, and afterwards when it's to another section, you're going to go ahead, tap on this drop down icon given by beside account settings, and tap on this option called apps and accounts below. And here in this section you will find all kinds of apps and the accounts that is linked with your Epic Games itself. You can see we have Google, Steam, GitHub, Twitch, Xbox, and PlayStation Network, plus Nintendo itself. So if you would like to remove our account, which is our account of Rockstar, which will be listed over here, we can tap on this. You can see I do have a remove option in the Google section. You can see all of these are not connected. We can see if it's connected, we'll find this option called remove. We can tap on it, and our account, that particular account, will be simply be unlinked, aka removed from our PlayStation like that. So if it's still not connected, tap on this connect and connect it, and then remove it like that. So this will wait, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.